Hello there, I am Tugustuzaru. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you. I'll continue today's lesson, which is about 134 PowerPoint presentation. The other application software under this grade 10 textbook is PowerPoint presentation, the most important. Why these application softwares are listed in your textbook? Because whether you are doing in education sector or in architecture or in financial sectors or fields, you have a chance to use these softwares. Whether a man or anyone can join in health sectors, have a chance to use word processing softwares like MS Office, from spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel, and from presentation software PowerPoint. We have a chance to use the software that students have developed this skill of theoretical and practical knowledge for these softwares. As it was defined and discussed in grade 9 and unit 3, PowerPoint is a graphical presentation program. It is a continuation of grade 9 textbook. Some features are listed in grade 9 and others are listed in here. What are the in using animation and transition and using slide master, creating a slide master. These are the features that are not listed in the previous grade but listed in this textbook. Therefore, I will demonstrate you here. On start menu, PowerPoint. Then you will have such program, PowerPoint, or the other alternative, Window plus literal. Then at the same time, you'll have a run command, type the name of a program, it says Power PMT without space or gap. Power PMT, then enter. Press key or click on using a mouse on OK. Then you have a planned presentation. As you have the same to as usual, the same to other window application softwares. In this software also there are window features. First is the title bar. On the title bar, Microsoft PowerPoint. The files created in this software is presentation. In case of Microsoft Word, document. In case of Microsoft Excel, there is a workbook or book. Under this, you will have tabs: home, insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review. These are the types or menus for this software. And are under each menu or tabs ribbons or list of commands. And the working area is a slide. You see it is slide. Here on the status bar at the bottom says slide 1 of 1. In case of Microsoft Word, there is page. In case of Microsoft Excel, there is a sheet. In case of Microsoft PowerPoint, there is a slide, the working area. It's possible to create multiple slides. In case of Microsoft Word, it's possible to add additional page using page layout, break, next page. In case of here, under Home tab, it's possible to add additional slide, for instance, blank. The blank slide is inserted. We can insert other also blank. But I don't want this layout. It's possible to change the layout also here. Title and content. Finished. I have 3 slides. Let me demonstrate you here. Computer system. Then it's possible to add bullet. Okay. Computer hardware. Computer. So finished. Finished. Here I have the first on the first slide. This pointers. On the second, it is a blank. Let me add some textbooks. Textbooks and draw here. Type is equal to RND. This formula helps us to display sample text. You will have such text. Then you can fill the background of this text box. Format under format. Here you can change it like this. In case of the third point here, data processing, for instance. Data processing. Data processing. It's possible to add a smart art here. Here process. This is, for instance, it guides you by itself. Input, process, output. It's possible to change also the background, for instance. But before doing this, insert other slide, title and content. For instance, table explanation. Here, let me insert a table. 6 rows, 6 columns. It's possible to move from one cell to the other using tab key. Then, when you move on the last, when you reach on the last cell, when you press the tab key on the keyboard, it adds additional row. The tab key is found on the keyboard above caps lock on the left side. You can do such like this. What about the chart? Insert chart. Chart. Let me add additional slide here. Sorry. Under home tab, new slide, title and content. Here, chart. Columnar chart is selected. How can we create a chart? Using Microsoft Excel software. That, sorry, you have here parallelly Microsoft Excel software here. Let me edit. Grade 9, 10, 11, 12. Male, female. Now you have no this column and that, right click. After selecting, delete columns. Finished. Have you seen? Close the Excel. You'll have such type of chart. Grade 9, 10, 11, 12. You can give us a chart. You can give title for x-axis, y-axis. You can label and you can give for chart title as above here, for instance. You can give around here chart title. You can give it. Anyway, it's possible to create also a chart. Let me design. To make it attractive our presentation, under design tab, it's possible to use already prepared themes and you can use format background. You can apply your picture as a background using this option. Then from file you can select or gradient fills. Variety of fills are found here. Instance. If you want to apply to the all, apply to all. Just finished. Then to make it more attractive, now again you can apply transition. Transition, a motion that helps to make apply for each slide. So when we move from one slide to the other, the type of motion that we apply. Here, for instance, the first slide, selecting the second slide, the other slide type, the next slide, the last slide, finished. Then for each object, selecting, then under slide, animation, you can apply animation type. For the second box, for the next, the same. Selecting each object, each text box, each box step by step. Then let me see here slideshow when you want to present. slideshow from beginning. Or you can use F5 key on the keyboard. Functional key F5. Enter key helps us or click helps us to move from one slide to the other. Especially when you use animation in transition, you have to follow the steps. This is all about using Microsoft Excel. Just this is a sample. Possible to create 100 slides in a specific presentation. Related to your topic, you have to apply or insert videos, charts, image, tables, and other objects. The other is using a master slide, just a new blank presentation. Under view tab, there is a master slide master. This option helps us to edit from the already created template or template here master layout. Just you can edit. There is a already prepared slides. You can edit. If you do not want under view slide sorter, it's possible to add or to change the order of the slides. Again, it's possible to increase or decrease. Let me again click on slide sorter under view slide master. Just under slide master you can apply colors, themes also. For instance, themes are applied now. Now you can change the text, the objects following the layout. You can prepare a presentation. If you want to use this slide, master slide, but you can use also your own layout or format techniques, just like that of I have demonstrated you before. How can we prepare a well or attractive presentation? By exercising well. Just to make it perfect, you have to practice well. Just let me answer last. Let me add one slide here. I want to make it as a layout. Just it's possible to change the slide for instance blank. Then under insert tab, text box. I want to make a slide here for computer system. Just select one under format. You can change the background of the text only, not the whole slide. You can increase the size. You can add additional slide. The text box. You can add here also draw, drag and drop, computer, art drawing. You select this one. You can make it attractive by using format tab. You can change the text here. Just changing the styles. The background color like this. You can increase the size. And when you want to present slideshow from the current means from the already existed slide. To prepare a well and attractive presentation, you have to practice and practice well. For today is enough. Thank you.